Yeah. Good morning, candidates. This is regarding, say, Federal Bank. Federal Bank um, probationary officer, GD, and robotic interview. I am expecting a few candidates. Today, one or two candidates had their GD, and the result has not come, it seems. Normally, they announce it early, but this time they are taking time. So they have not announced the results yet. And
Okay, sir.
hello, Alina. Good
Good
evening.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Very good. You are from which college?
St. Joseph's College, Devagiri, Calicut, Kozhikode.
Very good. What is the subject you are studying?
MA Economics.
What is it you are studying?
Economics.
Oh, great, 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 great. So when people like you go for interview, this will be after you are clearing that robotic interview, when you may have to refresh your knowledge relating to, say, regular economics that you have studied in college. So,
Okay, sir.
yeah, for example, simple questions like, say, what is depression, what is inflation, and how we can reduce how Reserve Bank of India is reducing the inflation. Likewise, simple questions.
Okay, sir.
They can ask you. And I suggest you go through. In case after selection, tell me, I will send you the list of questions that you can prepare apart from what you have.
Okay, sir.
Very good. In your college, how many of you are appearing for this GD interview?
16.
16.
16.
16. Acha, acha, acha. And all of them have it tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
All of them have it tomorrow, sir.
Tomorrow, 18th. Acha. You have been asked to appear to the college?
No, it's virtual through Teams.
No, through Teams in the sense, say everybody is operating from their house only.
Hostel or college or through home.
No, house or hostel or college, whatever it is. Hostel means same. That's what it is. Very good.
Yes, sir.
But then you must have very good internet connectivity.
Yes, sir.
Because I have seen some cases where South Indian Bank and Federal Bank candidates who are suffering from want of this good internet connectivity, they were put in a disadvantageous position.
Okay, sir.
So where are you staying in a hostel or in say?
I'm staying in hostel, sir.
Hostel. Do you have Wi-Fi facility?
Yes, sir.
Oh, it is good. Good Wi-Fi facility is there.
Yes, sir.
तब तो बढ़िया है. That's very good. You will be operating your through your laptop or your cell phone.
Through my laptop.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Congrats. Good. That will be really good. And have you told about our session to other candidates in your hostel or other places? Or you are more possessive, you don't want to tell others? That is normally.
Sir, I have asked my friends. I don't know whether they will be joining or not.
Very good. Doesn't matter. No issue. You have told them.
Yes, sir.
That is a good thing. If you have told them, that is a plus point. It will get you better marks, in the sense you have a willingness to share with others whatever benefits you are getting from wherever, whatever may be the source. Now, I hope you went through the questions that they have posted in our Telegram group. Did you go through that?
Yes, sir. Today's question I have seen.
Yeah. Now, can you take up one question and answer me? Please read Can you access our Telegram group?
Yes, sir.
In our say our laptop,
Yes, sir.
your laptop itself. Yeah, or I think otherwise I think I can also share it as I can share it. 1 minute. Let me see whether I can share it. No, doesn't matter. I'm not able to do it here today. I don't know why. Yeah. Please read the question. Any one question you read.
Sir, I will read this question. You have 3 efficient subordinates working for the past 10 years in your company with excellent work proficiency.
Mm,
Recently, your company got a proposal to import a new machine for huge price from United States.
mm,
The new machine could do the same job of 3 men at the same time.
mm,
As a manager, what would be your opinion regarding the replacement of 3 loyal employees of the company with an advanced and sophisticated machine?
Correct. So this is a very lively question, which is more prevalent in Kerala. Kerala, most of the people are say communist oriented, and they won't like computerization or say advancement in technology and all that. I don't say it is for that purpose this has been given. Now, how will you handle this situation?
Yes, sir. I will be looking up with the capital, the resources with the bank. If the capital is huge and the returns from the imported machine is higher than the capital, it would be better to afford that to
Okay.
replace the subordinate loyals with the machine.
Mhm.
Also, the
Mm,
other opinion is that the machine should be much efficient, better than the men which have been employed.
mm. But that is what they have told, that the machine can replace the work of 3 people. The machine can replace the work of 3 persons. So that is what has been given. So it is to be presumed or assumed that the machine is capable of doing it. However, in practicality, what happens is that, I have seen from my own eyes during 1990s, when computer was brought into the bank, there was lot of resistance from the employees.
Okay, sir.
There was lot of resistance from the employees for getting it done, and in spite of it, step by step, it started moving in. That at that time, who was the prime minister at that time? Hello, in 1990s and all, who was the prime minister of India? Any idea? No idea.
Manmohan Singh.
Manmohan Singh was, 91 and all. It was Narasimha Rao. Subsequently,
Okay.
Manmohan Singh. Subsequently, Manmohan Singh and all that. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So that's what it is. And of course, in India, computerization, in my view, is mainly due to Rajiv Gandhi.
Okay.
Perhaps you may not be aware of it. He was the person who was instrumental in bringing this computerization in banking. Automatically, it spread to other areas also. And say hospitalization, then ticket booking in railways, everywhere it has started spreading. And the credit for that, in my view, goes to Mr. Rajiv Gandhi. And there was one person who was very much instrumental for spreading of the, say when you were all young, you must have seen that STD booths. Do you remember those booths?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember? See, every street will have one yellow board, 2-3 yellow boards, STD booths, and also Xerox machine and all that in those days. So
Yes, sir.
they were all prevalent. I'm not remembering about that person. I think he was from Kerala, one who was very close to our Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, and he was the person instrumental for computerization in our country.
Okay, sir.
And on account of that only this has come. So this sort of dilemma was there in the minds of all of us at that time also. We were thinking that computerization will reduce the employment. So this is what it was. But then we cannot escape it. We cannot run away from it, possibly because of the globalization. That is the reason. So
Okay.
you are an economic student. Can you tell me what is globalization?
Globalization is opening the internal market to the global world or the other countries.
Mhm. So what will
There will be a
happen?
linkage
What will
between
happen when it is open to the other countries?
more trades and exchanges will happen.
Very good. So will it be advantageous or disadvantageous for the country?
It will be advantageous for the country if it is in the stage of developed nations, and it will be a disadvantage for a developing or less developed country.
Can you elaborate why and how?
For the less developed country, there will be more imported commodities if there is no protectionist policies, and it will be a disadvantage to that country. But in the case of a developed nation, they it will be having a capital resource for importing the commodities, and it can make use of that and also replace the commodity with import substitution.
Mhm. Good. Very good. Very good. You have been able to explain about it nicely. But it is like this. India is a developing country, and in that case, when outside imports are allowed freely, then it may affect the local trade.
Yes, sir.
It may affect the local trade. For example, palm oil import, etc., was not allowed earlier because it was affecting the palm oil manufacturers in our country also. Similarly, every aspect for that matter. What is your father? Which job is he doing?
He is a teacher.
Is a teacher. What is your mother?
She is also a teacher.
Acha, good. Then why don't you take up, say, teaching as a line after doing MA in economics?
Sir, from my childhood onwards, I am not inclined towards teaching. I prefer other kinds of jobs, and I wish to serve the society, or I wish to do more than what teaching does.
Mhm. You do not prefer, say, teaching.
Yeah, teaching is like my last length of the resort.
That's right. Good. Absolutely no problem. It depends. Some people like teaching, some people don't like teaching. That is what it is. Excellent. Now, can you answer this question to me? This question, say, three people being replaced by one machine. Will you are only a manager in that company. You are not the deciding authority. You are not the boss. You are only a
Okay, sir.
manager. Now, what will be the recommendation you will put forth to your management?
There is both pros and cons to this statement. First thing is that if we are replacing the loyal employees, uh, the employees are being loyal, uh, it will be some, it will cause some mental and physical distraction between the manager and the loyal
Mm,
employees
mm,
in the replacement,
mm,
and it can also
mm,
employees are being replaced with the imported product, imported machine.
mm. So, what are the different ways in which this can be managed? One, by buying a new machine, sending all these three people out, send them out.
Yes,
That,
sir. They have to be trained to use it effectively so that
mm,
we can retain the employee skills.
mhm. Okay. Another way is to retain them till the machines are trained and all that. Okay, then. No. See, the question is, these people are equipped to do certain work, but maybe they will not be competent enough to do in a machine that is going to be imported from America. Correct?
That's true, sir. But we can make that employees to do the work of operating a machine operator.
Acha. You say instead of sending them out, you can give them the job of a machine operator and ask them to learn the work and then operate the machine. That's what
Yes,
you
sir.
say. But then,
Yes.
even then, there may not be need for all the 3 people to be employed. Only one person may be sufficient or so. How will you manage this situation?
By the rules and laws of the company, I have to assign some time, some sort of compensation. Then
yeah, the another method of
compensation should be given.
Tell me. No, one way of managing this question is this way, that say we can have it as a 3 shifts. In case the company is working in 3 shifts, the 3 of them can be used in 3 different shifts and they can be retained as it is. One. But then if the company wants to reduce the salary that is paid to these people, then after getting training to some new staff member at a lower pay, then we have to terminate them with after allowing all the benefits as per rules.
Yes, sir.
Maybe they will be eligible for a 3 month salary or whatever it is. So whatever eligibility is there, that should be paid and then sent. And since these people are very efficient people, mostly they may be able to find some other employment in our competitive company also.
Yes, sir.
Because they will go to some other competitive company which is not buying those machines where they may be of use. They can work there also. Could you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is how we have to manage. But in GD like situations, you can take one stand. Either I will buy the machines and terminate them, or I will not buy the machines. And this is how it is. But then as manager, we have no say in this. We have to go by what our management says.
Okay.
Our management wants that they want to reduce the cost of expenses incurred, increase the cost. Increase the profitability.
Yes, sir.
So we have to convince them of the need of this and then buy the machines, give them proper compensation, go ahead. And that is what is happening everywhere in the world now. Even in banking, more artificial intelligence machines are being introduced.
Yes, sir.
You know, in ICICI Bank, they have introduced 600 robotic machines.
Okay, sir.
And in almost even in your bank, Federal Bank, BOT, South Indian Bank, BOT and all, everything is managed by artificial intelligence only.
Okay, sir.
So now take a stand and talk about it for 1 minute. What stand will you be taking? Please tell it firmly.
Sir, as there is digitalization, as there is a development in the technology, and also there is a globalization impact in every sector, we should replace the employees with the imported machines so that we can achieve the growth and profit, as a company works for the profit motive rather than socialization or creating employment opportunity.
See, regarding socialization, like achieving social objectives, of course, you have a concept, perhaps you may not be aware of, known as corporate social responsibility. Are you aware of that?
No, sir.
Please note down corporate social responsibility.
Okay, sir.
And if you search in our Google, it will give you some ideas. Corporate social responsibility. See, in India also it is there. What is the meaning of corporate social responsibility? The concept of corporate social responsibility is generally understood to mean that corporations have a degree of responsibility not only for the economic consequences of their activities, but also for the social and environmental implications. So, what are the 4 corporate social responsibilities? Corporate social responsibility is traditionally broken into 4 categories: environmental, philanthropic, ethical, and economic responsibility. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute. If I can share it, there is nothing like that. 1 minute. Yeah, because I am just putting it in our, yeah. If it comes, well and good. Corporate social responsibility examples: reducing carbon footprint, engaging in charity work, purchasing fair trade products, investing in environmentally conscious businesses, getting involved in volunteer work, improving labor practices. So like that it goes. It is a very big thing. Even your federal bank is doing corporate social responsibility. Your South Indian Bank is also doing. They are giving certain buses, then they are helping some schools, colleges, giving scholarships and all that. I hope you must be aware of that. Like in some cases, they will be maintaining roads, parks, and all that. Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. So this much for this point. And, very good. You answered this question nicely. Now, please take up the next question.
Okay, sir. Sir, may I read the question?
Yeah.
Mr. A works in a multinational firm where he is senior manager of production. Recently, Ms. B was appointed vice president of the company, with Mr. A reporting to Mr. B. Due to some problem in the production line, Ms. B requests a late evening meeting with Mr. A. When Mr. A goes for the meeting, Ms. B makes some inappropriate advances on him. Mr. A promptly reports the matter to the company HR manager. The HR manager finds it hard to believe Mr. A's story and, along with Ms. B, accuses him of inappropriate conduct. The matter has leaked to the press and is causing bad publicity for the company. What should the company do?
Actually, this type of a situation is more prevalent in America and other advanced countries. You must have seen that people very close to the higher ups in the company, they take advantage and they try to create issues. Even in Infosys, there was a problem.
Okay, sir.
There was one person by name Panish Murthy, and against him, some charges were levied by one of the staff members. And
Okay, sir.
lot of damages the company had to pay to the employee. This is what happened in that case. But this is a very delicate question. How they are giving this question in a group where youngsters like you are participating? How will you handle this question?
First of all, while uh, regarding the press issue, we have to convince as soon as possible the press that the manager has to convince the press bureau that uh, there is no complications or there is no issue with the company and should provide some sort of evidence. Otherwise, the company should say that uh, these types of evidences, these types of issues will not happen further. I have given warning to the employees, etc., some sort of things like that. Another thing is that the manager should question Mr. A and Miss B about the happenings, about the meetings and the advances issues, and should give some sort of warning and should convince them about the reputation of the company and how they are misleading the people about the company.
Good, good. And further steps like, say, transferring them to 2 different departments where they are not in touch with them, that also can be adopted if it can be implemented. And
Okay, sir.
that if it is possible, I'm not sure, because here is a senior manager and she is a vice president and all that. So how it is possible for them to be separated, I don't know. But then it is not known who is really responsible for such an incident to be made blown up and all that. And it will certainly cause bad name for the company. And in order to avoid that, steps have to be taken, as you rightly said, by giving sufficient warning to the people and also telling the press that the problems are being sorted out. But
Okay,
it is easily said, but it may not happen. In such situations, either of the parties will try to take advantage and they will try to continue with the charges only. So that is what is happening in real life, Sharon.
yes, sir. In practical, it is not possible. It is not possible in easy way.
Yeah, they won't agree. The other person will not agree for stopping the, say, allegation and all that. That is a thing. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now, good. Now, any points you would like to say regarding this? But it seems today robotic interview was over and no result has come yet. Sorry, not robotic interview. This GD was over and those boys have not been informed of the result. Maharashtra. They have not been told about the result. Normally, Federal Bank tells the result by the evening or late evening. And the next day or 2 days afterwards, they will have that robotic interview also. But maybe they are very busy. That is why it is not happening. Yeah, any points you would like to say regarding this?
Sir, can we say in the neutral way regarding like saying both pros and cons, or should we stand with one side only?
No, it's you have to take a stand. You have to
Okay,
take.
sir.
You can take a stand on behalf of management or on behalf of one of the employees, and then say that say some action regarding that.
Okay, sir.
But it's a very delicate. Honestly speaking, there is no ready-made answer with me now for this. Supposing there are 2-3 ways in which it can be sorted out. One, both A and B can be sent out.
Okay, sir.
It is not known whether B can be sent out because she is vice president. Maybe she is a shareholder also. Maybe she has got the support of other people. We don't know. Sometimes she may be a shareholder, sometimes she may not be a shareholder also.
Okay, sir.
Another option is send out A and retain B only. Another option is send out B, retain A only.
Okay, sir.
This way it can be done, but then how the matter goes or handles, it depends on the influence A or B has over the management. Or management likes A or B.
Okay.
Depending on that, the situation will be handled and it will be moved about it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Very good. Now, would you like to continue with similar questions, or would you like to take up some robotic interview questions?
Since my GD is not over,
you want to
I
go
will
for
continue
GD,
with my GD.
GD,
Yes.
GD only, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I agree. Yeah. Yeah, 1 minute. Stop share. I will go to the Telegram. Yeah. Why I am not able to get old ones? Everything is not there. Previous days are not being seen. Na? Are you able to see the previous days postings?
Yes, sir.
Abhi, now it is coming. Previously it wasn't. Even now it comes only up to yesterday, 16th only. What happened? Are you able to see the old days?
Yes, sir. You can type like the topic in search option. Top.
Oh. 1 minute. Are you able to see last month posting and all, November posting and all?
Sir, what I did was I just searched the word topic, TOPIC, in the search box,
Mhm.
and I was viewing all the topics through
So
the arrow.
1 minute. Topics I searched and maybe something wrong. Let me see in this phone whether I'm getting it. 1 minute. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
This one. Yeah. Here I am getting January 14 and all that I'm getting. Maybe on account of some problem it was not coming. Now, what is the topic you would like to take about? You just go through the previous post and try to find out what is the topic you would like to discuss.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, you decide it yourself. Yes.
Sir, I will choose the topic. You joined MBA for getting placed on ABC company. ABC company is your dream company since last 4 years, and your college senior is the CEO of the company. You waited for ABC company for the entire placement session, and company delayed its recruitment process due to some administrative constraints. Your college follows one placement for one candidate rule. Now you are placed in another company, and ABC company is visiting your campus for recruitment process.
Good.
What will you
So I
do?
think it is a real life question. No?
Yes, sir.
Real life question. In your college, what is the procedure? Can you attend more than one companies?
Yes, sir.
So can you get placed in more than one companies?
That I'm not sure. Before this, federal only one bank came, that is ISAF Bank, and I didn't get placement of that.
Which bank?
ISAF, ESAF.
ESAF, that is a small finance bank.
Yes, sir.
Their
The
salary
salary is very low.
Very low. I think they would have given 2 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs, na?
Yeah, it's per month around 20,000.
Around 20,000. That is about 2.5 lakhs.
Yes.
Yeah. So this one will be good. Federal Bank must be offering around 10 lakhs also.
Yes.
Yeah. Now tell me, what is your answer for this question?
I would be like, if another company is coming and I'm getting placed, I will just join because there is some sort of unemployability in the reality. It is really tough to get a small job. So I will be joining in the company. And after joining the company, I will convince the manager that my dream company was another ABC company, and if they allow me to go there, I will do resign and join the other company.
But normally nobody will allow.
Yeah, then I will continue with the other company itself.
Mhm. Now, please read the question once again.
Okay, sir.
Read the question once again.
Okay, sir. You joined MPA for getting placed in ABC company.
Mm,
ABC company is your dream company since last 4 years,
mm,
and your college senior is the CEO of the company.
mm,
You waited for ABC company for the entire placement session,
mm,
placement season, and company delayed its recruitment process due
mm,
to some administrative constraints.
mm,
Your college follows one placement for one candidate role.
mm,
Now you are placed in another company, and ABC company is visiting your campus for recruitment process.
mm. So
Now,
now give an effective answer. Only one answer.
sir, I am already placed in another company,
Mm,
uh, and the candidate is allowed to go for only one
mm,
campus recruitment.
mm.
Then I'm not sure whether I could ignore the offer letter of the other company and attend the ABC company.
Mm.
If
No,
it is possible,
but never use the word "I am not sure" and all that. You must take a stand. You must take a stand and say this way or that way. You decide. See, what is it? You have already been appointed. I mean, got offer from a small company, but another dream
okay.
company is coming. Now the question is, you can say, I will. You have already been placed in small company. You are not eligible for being appearing for the big company. That is the situation.
Okay.
Then
Then
the
I
one,
will have to join the other company itself.
yeah, that is one thing. Other way is, if there is a provision for convincing the your college management that you can give up this one, give up,
Okay.
then, and if that is allowed, maybe the next person may be allotted this job, then you can take up the second company. But
Okay, sir.
whether there will be such provisions, I don't know. It depends on the college rules.
Okay, sir.
So you can assume something. If our college rules permit my relinquishing this, I will take the risk of saying no for this job and try for the better job.
Okay, sir.
But will you do that? Normally people may not. What is your idea?
If it is
No, let us take a practical situation. You have been employed in, say, some X bank at the salary of
okay.
6 lakhs rupees.
Okay.
Now there comes a company, a dream company, which offers 8 lakh salary.
Okay.
Now, what is going to be your stand? Will you join X company or Y company?
I will be joining X company itself if
Yeah.
this is the
So,
situation.
yeah, because you don't want to face an uncertainty.
Yes.
Very good. Good. You answered this question nicely. Good. Can you take up some more questions of your choice?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. You just go scroll round and then I am not able to get it. That's why. Check up. Yes. Which date matter are you reading?
Sir, I have just sorted out all the questions into my saved messages list.
Acha.
So I'm not certain. Yes,
Acha,
sir.
you have saved. How did you save it? Can you do a help for me? Put them all into Word document, send it to me as a attachment to my WhatsApp or Federal or Telegram group. Can you do that?
Yes, sir. I will do after this meeting.
After this meeting only. Now tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
Which question would you like to take up? Good. Such an effort is really helpful for all of us.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Hmm.
The question is that relating to selection of two employees A and B.
Hmm.
One has an experience of 15 years and the other has completed course from IIM.
Hmm.
So, as a manager, HR manager, will you prefer to employ the person A or person B from IIM?
Correct. Good question. Very good question. Yeah, tell me. Acha,
Sir,
how many siblings you have, Alina?
Sir, I am a single child.
Oh, Baba, very bad. Very bad. Do you consider it good to be a single child?
No, sir.
You have no option, of course. कुछ option
It's
नहीं है.
always better with a sibling.
Yeah, but at least some sort of fighting, some sort of sharing
Yeah.
of ideas and all that. Good. So,
But being a single child, we will be dependent and self-reliant to some sort of.
extent. Very good. That means
Yes.
you have been staying in hostel for, since when are you staying in hostel?
Since my undergraduation. This is my 5th year in hostel.
5th year in hostel.
Yes, sir.
What you are doing?
Masters, MA Economics.
Masters. Oh God, great. Masters in economics. Then you will
Yes,
be
sir.
having very tough questions in interview. Be ready for that. I will ask you
Yes, sir.
afterwards. Yeah. Now
Yes, sir.
tell me answer for this question. Whom will you select?
I will be choosing the person with 15 years of experience rather than the fresher because the cost of the company to train and train the IIM graduate will be higher than the person with much experience of 15 years.
Mhm. So you will prefer an experienced person rather than an IIM.
Yes, but if the company demands a person with the technical skills with the latest technological development, I will be recruiting the IIM person.
Good. That's really nice. Good. Next question.
Yes, sir.
I think there is one question. You have the option to join a corporate firm, multinational corporate firm,
Yes, sir.
or join or start or choose starting a startup. So which one will you choose?
Being a fresher, I will be choosing the corporate firm because it offers a high package and good facilities and amenities. So I will be choosing corporate firm rather than a startup.
Super.
If I am an experienced person, I will be choosing a startup because I have some sort of experience in corporate sector, and I can use my skills in the startup company.
No, but you don't have to have different versions. You
Okay,
imagine
sir.
yourself only and talk. You don't have to say
Okay,
if I am an experienced. That is not needed.
okay, thank you, sir.
What about the next one? You are a single child who completed MBA, got an opportunity to join in your dream institute, but your parents want you to pursue their family business. What will you do?
First of all, I will try to convince my parents that it's my dream job and I have an opportunity to join my dream institute. But even after that, if my parents pressurize me to do the family business, I will go ahead with the family business.
Good. You are a team leader and there are 10 members in your team working on a major project in a multinational company.
Yes, sir.
Mr. A, one of the team members, is quite aggressive in his communication.
Yes, sir.
In team meetings, he is trying to dominate and snub others.
Yes, sir.
This is causing unhappiness among members and in turn affecting work environment. What will be your reaction?
Sir, actually, this has been discussed in yesterday's session.
Hmm. Based
So,
on that, you tell me the answer.
so first of all, in that meeting, I will hear the views of the aggressive person A.
Hmm.
Also, the views regarding the others also.
Hmm.
Then,
Hmm.
if the majority views are going for the portion of the others,
Hmm.
excluding the Mr. A,
Hmm.
then I will go ahead with the views of others.
Hmm.
Afterwards, if Mr. A is causing some sort of issue, I will try to convince him personally.
Mhm. Good. So this question has already been discussed, right? Very good. Do you have any other question in mind to be discussed, or is it okay for this round?
Sir, which sector you prefer for posting, rural or urban? What should I answer for that?
Now, what type of a girl are you? You have been brought up in rural area or
I
urban
have
area?
been brought up in rural area, but I'm studying in urban area.
But you can choose rural area itself. Nothing wrong.
Yes, sir. Because I am familiar with communicating with the people of rural area, and I have seen the situation in the rural area.
Mm. But one disadvantage in this situation is that you may be posted anywhere in rural, not necessarily Kerala, but outside Kerala also.
Okay.
So maybe it can be Karnataka, it can be Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, or it can be Rajasthan also.
Okay,
Theoretically,
sir. Okay, sir.
practically, banks don't put the girls to that much difficult situation. They will post you in Kerala, in some
Uh-huh.
other rural area. So now it's an expectation.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me, which one would you prefer and why?
I would prefer rural area because I like to communicate with the people of rural area, and I have been brought up in a rural area.
Mm.
So it will make me, it would be easier for me to communicate with the people of rural area rather than the people of the urban area.
Don't exclude like that. Don't excluding that by, if you say I am not suitable for urban area, that it shows you are not competent. So
Okay, sir.
instead, I'll be more, I mean, I may have ample opportunities to be of very close service to people in rural areas by talking to them in their own language, in their own tone, and try to understand their needs.
Okay, sir.
No. See, when you compare and say I am not suitable for urban, that is a negative point that should be avoided.
Okay, sir.
Good. Any other questions? Any other question you would like to take up?
No more, sir.
No more. Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Your interview
Thank
is
you
on
so much, sir.
tomorrow. Tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow at 11:30.
Acha, acha. Then after the interview is over, please post the questions in our Telegram group itself. No problem.
Okay, sir.
I will see it next day morning when I get up. That will be better because I am in Canada now. That is
Okay,
you are
sir.
aware of that? No.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Very good. Best wishes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for participating very actively. You were the only person, but you were talking very nicely. It has helped the session very well. This will be of great use for others also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir,
Best wishes. Bye.
for your guidance too.
Bye.
Bye, sir.